Abatuura babasagambaho na TV West batugira ngo amaizi agana gakera kwiza eshaha z'ekiro ekibaretire okuteganisibwa munonga kandi ngo abakazi nibo bakyerizeyo kubonabona.
Amaizi tapu nizikara nizoma ntwija ntikara kulindira amaizi atapu ntikara amaizi mbumulinde amaizi garajja saa mukaga ntulinda amaizi nigabo hakumalira itwe nk'abakyala ntugamba kale katugende kuchombera abana ntusiga jerikana tapu kwejagaruka tusanga na jerikani bamazire kuziba.
Saba tuti government jaya tukolere tukulerera ya mahetse ndiba mahetse obwomizi butwe bantu
abantu bashaba government kurabira mu kitongore cy'amaizi cya National Water and Sewage Corporation okugumana kyereza abatuura amaizi ombwire.
Ebisere bingi amaizi gabula netutula ku mazi netukira sawa mukaga nga tutude ku mazi bweru abakyala ne babonabonere bweru nga balina abaana abato.
Aro ebindi biro tugenda na noyimuka nogenda na msija wao rondike nimuba muri bayingi nimuimuka mwena nimugenda kukora kutaha amaizi tokusobora kugenda wenka wapi.
Security begins with you. So when you are going to fetch water, at least don't go alone. Go with another person who can guide you, especially women who go for water. You can get some people who are not mentally okay and they end up raping you or hurting you.
Peter Eibura, manager wa National Water and Sewage Corporation, we nagira ngo cyanda nicyo cyeresero bwinje bw'amaizi bwacyendera ahabo kugira ngo n'abahingi n'ababana bagakoresha mu misiri yabo.
During the dry spell, we tend to have challenges of competing for the same source with the upstream users who use the same water to irrigate their coffee plants and others, tomatoes and etc.
Ubwo yayongera yagira ngo abatuura bagume bataha amaizi menshi gaheza kwija.
You can buy a tank, 1,000 liters. Maybe if you have a family of 4 people, 5, 6, can take you 2 days or 3 without your system running down.
Ubwo yahendera ari kugira ngo project y'umunekorwa ku rugo muri Kirembe kweruba yahwire neje kumaraho ikizubu cyibura ry'amaizi. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.